What is the best memory foam mattress topper? If you're looking to upgrade your sleeping experience and wondering which memory foam mattress topper is the best, you're in the right place. Let's break down the key features and benefits of some top contenders. First, let's talk about the Tempur-Pedic Tempur-Adapt mattress topper. This topper is highly praised for its ability to ease aches and pains, especially for side and back sleepers. It's made of 3 inches of high-density Tempur foam, which is exceptionally durable and provides fantastic pressure relief. The topper comes with a removable cover and elastic straps to keep it securely in place. However, it's on the pricier side, with a full price over $400, but it comes with a 10-year warranty. Another strong contender is the Casper Comfy Mattress Topper. This topper features a plush panel of memory foam on top and a layer of base foam below, all wrapped in a smart gray knit cover. It's great for side sleepers due to its softness around the hips and shoulders, and it also offers excellent pressure relief and temperature regulation. The foam is perforated to help disperse heat, making it a great option for those who tend to overheat at night. The Lucid Gel Memory Foam Mattress Topper is another popular choice. It's infused with cooling gel to prevent overheating and has a basic yet effective design. This topper is known for its comfort, with many users describing it as sleeping on a cloud. However, some users find it too soft, causing them to sink in too much. It's also available with an optional cover and has perforations for better temperature regulation. For those who prioritize cooling, the GhostBed Cooling Gel Memory Foam Mattress Topper is a standout. This topper is designed to keep you cool throughout the night, thanks to its gel infusion and contoured surface that encourages airflow. It provides a plush and supportive feel, making it suitable for various sleeping positions. However, it does come with an off-gassing odor that lingers for a while. The ViscoSoft high-density mattress topper is another great option, especially for side sleepers and hot sleepers. It features 3 or 4 inches of high-density memory foam infused with cooling gel and comes with a breathable bamboo rayon cover. This topper provides excellent body contouring and is secured to the mattress with 4 anchor straps. It's a bit pricey, especially the 4-inch model, but it's a solid investment for long-term comfort. When choosing the best memory foam mattress topper, consider your specific needs. If you're a side sleeper looking for pressure relief, the Tempur-Pedic Tempur-Adapt or the ViscoSoft high-density topper might be ideal. For those who overheat, the GhostBed Cooling Gel or the Lucid Gel Memory Foam Toppers are great choices. If you're looking for a balance of comfort and support, the Casper Comfy Mattress Topper is a top pick. Ultimately, the best topper for you will depend on your personal preferences, sleeping position, and budget. Each of these toppers offers unique benefits, so take your time to read reviews and consider what will make your sleeping experience the best it can be.